Jade, my dear Jade, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Someone has put this in the dishwasher and it is just a printed mug. Oh no. Hate gone, hate. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Oh no. What a disaster. Sorry, Jade. Today is an express breakfast. We've got to get on the road ASAP.
Oh no.
Okay, okay. A bit hot. See? Hot. Hot. See the steam? Hot. Hot. Hot.
No.
You want the hot? Good. I'm late. Running really late. Sorry. But I have this crazy pet peeve where I can't leave the house with wet hair. Like, I just can't. It's this ridiculous obsession I have. I have to blow, if I've washed my hair, I have to blow dry it dry. I can't stand looking like having wet hair. It's just not my zhuzh. So I'm running late and we are going to check this car in for a recall service. Not an actual service because it's brand new, but a recall service because it's been recalled. So the computer, something's wrong with the computer. So we're going down there now. They're going to give me a loan car. Don't know what it is. It might be a new Range Rover. My hubby goes, get a Range Rover Vogue so I can test that. I was like, okay, sure thing. Okay, we're here. We are at Jaguar Land Rover Northern Beaches, where I bought my car from, and this is where the car will be serviced and recalled. I'm just writing a list of all the things that I want them to check if there's other things, which they always ask me to do, and I haven't done that, so I'm just writing a list now, and we're going to drop the car off. It literally looks like I am in the same car. I'm not. This is a Land Rover Discovery 7-seater. Kind of feels very similar to my car, but it is a Discovery. Hubby's gonna love that. Listen, at the end of the day, you just gotta be comfortable. They're taking my car for recall for a week, so listen, your girl has to be in the zhuzh. If they're taking it for a week, honey, give me a good car. That's what I said. Anyway, really nice guy in service, and he goes, by the way, I really love your bag. I was like, thanks. He goes, I love the lanyard. I was like, that is right, my friend. It is like a lanyard. But I love it. I love my little lanyard, my Balenciaga lanyard. This is how nice of a wife I am. But watch me take it in and he'll say, oh, that's okay, I don't want a coffee.
Why are you screaming?
What do you mean, why am I screaming? He just swept the floor with his hands. No, check his hands.
Get a neutral soap.
Slight issue. everything is okay now. I'm going to give Mussy his milk. He has a band-aid because he has cut his hand because he just decided to break the plate and then scrabble the plate, hence the reason I screamed. Gotta go. You can do a vlog.
So I had a new chef yesterday and I was showing them how to chop mushrooms. Well, in doing so, I cut myself pretty badly in the worst spot. So therefore, I've got Mussy's blood everywhere. I've got my blood everywhere.
He goes, are you filming? And I was like, oh, now you want to be on the vlog. And he goes, you need content, bitch. You're boring as hell. Okay, what do you want to show me?
Never say something.
You just did.
So back in 2000 and I'm gonna say 11.
Look at this. That is so. Do you know what Jillian would? Sorry to interrupt. Do you know what Jillian would say right now?
What?
Jerusha, put your hair down. You look like a pimple on a pumpkin.
Oh. Back in 2011, more or less, Jerusha was sitting there waiting for me.
Oh, no way.
Mama Teresa's, and she drew something on a napkin. It was there.
Oh, cool.
And, oh, 2012, there it is. It's got a date on it.
That's
and I
what we
kept
got.
it ever since.
Oh my god, no way. That's so cool. Wow, you found that.
So I didn't find it. I've always had it.
Oh, that's what I mean.
So I'm going to frame it and put it
Are you?
in your studio.
Are you?
Yeah. The actual napkin.
Oh my god.
And it is a napkin.
It's actually a napkin. Good quality. Still alive. That's so cool.
Oh.
Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm just fainting. I'm getting back to some SUBBIE mail that's been in my inbox. I've got so many filters, but it gets moved. SUBBIE mail, any fan mail, SUBBIE mail gets moved to like different areas. It's been sitting there for weeks. My SUBBIE Teresa, who is also an Instagram makeup influence guru. She's so gorgeous. Teresa, hi babe. I just looked over her email. She is Australian, woohoo! And she sent me illustrations, and I have to show you guys because they are beautiful. Can you guys see this? Is there too much glare? Oh my god. Is that not the coolest ever? Oh my gosh. And she did this one as well of the perfume trunk, the little case. Love it. You are so talented. She's a makeup artist. And she was asking me, have you had one-on-one makeup? She loves my makeup at the moment. Thanks, babe. Oh my God, that's such a compliment. Have I had one-on-one makeup? No, babe, you can hook a sister up. I will have one-on-one makeup with you anytime, babe. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for your email, doll. They are such gorgeous illustrations. Alrighty, we have just arrived at the office, at our offices, so that I can upload. Mum came to watch Mussy, who is still asleep. Poor little thing, now he has a cold as well. Oh God, if it, you know, it doesn't rain, it pours. So she came to watch him, who is still asleep, and I've come to upload. A few people asked me what I mean by that. Yes, my house has internet. However, if you've watched my vlogs before, I told you that my husband connected to the office building he owns. He connected cable optic fiber internet. And oh my God, if you're a YouTuber out there and you don't have that yet, and you can, I don't know, pledge to your council to connect it to your house, trust me, do it. It's unbelievable. I drive all the way here every time now because it's worth it, because it uploads in 30 seconds. I'm not even kidding you. A 30-minute video will upload in like 50 seconds max. It's amazing. So today is going to be a really, really late upload, but Mussy's just been really unwell, and I traded my cars this morning. So unfortunately, it's a 3 p.m. upload for yesterday's vlog. Hi guys! Hi! Hi! Oh, did you go to the toilet again? There's the ballerina. Hi! Moo! Oh, oink! Piggy! I gotta get this position on camera. Mum just called out to me. Look at the position. With the hand on the leg.
And the foot crossed.
And the foot crossed over.
And then the head on the arm.
I know, his head's like on your arm, resting. Is he watching Curious George? Oh, poor little sod. Look at his Vegemite mouth. Okay, Jules is going to say bye for today's vlog. See you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.